Hello, English Together. Today we have quiz number 3 for you to practice listening numbers in English from 0 to 100. And before we start the quiz, let's go over the instructions. You will listen to the number, choose the correct answer. Now remember, you have 10 seconds and then the answer will appear. Now, let's get started.
Yes.
Question number 1. The number is 97. 97. 97. And the correct answer is letter A, 97. Question number 2. The number is 3. 3. 3. And the correct answer is letter C, number 3. Question number 3. The number is 55. 55. 55. And the correct answer is letter C, 55. Question 4. The number is 20. 20. 20. And the correct answer is letter B, 20. Question 5. The number is 64. 64. 64. And the correct answer is letter B, 64. Question 6. The number is 75. 75. 75. And the correct answer is letter A, 75. Question 7. The number is 38. 38. 38. And the correct answer is letter B, 38. Question 8. The number is 9. 9. 9. And the correct answer is letter A, 9. Question 9. The number is 49. 49. 49. And the correct answer is letter B, 49. Question 10. The number is 93. 93. 93. And the correct answer is letter B, 93. Hey, English Together, you're halfway there. Keep going. Question 11. The number is 85. 85. 85. And the correct answer is letter C, 85. Question 12. The number is 42. 42. 42. And the correct answer is letter C, 42. Question 13. The number is 18. 18. 18. And the correct answer is letter B, 18. Question 14. The number is 26. 26. 26. And the correct answer is letter A, 26. Question 15. The number is 67. 67. 67. And the correct answer is letter A, 67. Question 16. The number is 93. 93. 93. And the correct answer is letter B, 93. Question 17. The number is 71. 71. 71. And the correct answer is letter C, 71. Question 18. The number is 30. 30. 30. And the correct answer is letter A, 30. Question 19. The number is 60. 60. 60. And the correct answer is letter B, 60. Question 20. The number is 84. 84. 84. And the correct answer is letter C, 84. Hey, English Together, you did it. You finished the quiz. And how did you do? Feel free to leave your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And thank you for watching English Go Getter. I'll see you in the next video.